Hey you guys, it's your girl Ida Ray. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing another planner layout for the month of September, which is my birthday month, so I'm going to decorate with a lot of birthday items. So yeah, I'll let you guys go ahead and enjoy this video.
But our trails will never run forever.
So right before I started recording, I dropped my paper trimmer, which it is now offset, but it still works, so I doubt if I replace it, I'm just going to glue it and use it like that.
To an end, we're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend, and I know that it's over. Got the look on your face. It's too hard to explain, but the worst is the pain when you pronounce my name and you say, Gloria, please don't cry for me. Oh, Gloria, please don't cry for me. Yeah. I can hurt you like you hurt me too. Then we make love when we are done. Breaking up and then get back together. Oh, you're the trigger to my gun. But like everything that's bad in life, it's come to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend, and I know that it's over. Got the look on your face. It's so hard to explain, but the worst is the pain when you pronounce my name. Gloria, please don't cry for me. Don't cry for me. Gloria, please. Oh, Gloria, please don't cry for me. Why do everything that's good in life always come to an end? We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend. And I know that it's over. Got a look on your face. But the worst is the pain when you pronounce my name. And you say, Gloria, please don't cry for me. Oh, Gloria, please don't cry for me. Don't cry for me. Oh yeah, I would try not, yeah, to cry. Gloria, Gloria, please, when you pronounce my name. Oh, Gloria, please don't cry for me. Yeah.
Wouldn't let you go if you left me. Wouldn't let you go if we're standing miles apart. I'd be a domino, I will let you know through vibrations of me. Wouldn't let you go if you left me. Wouldn't let you go if we're standing miles apart. I'd be a domino, you would feel my flow on the ground beneath you. I apart. I'd be a domino. I will let you know through vibrations of me. Wouldn't let you go if you left me. Wouldn't let you go if we're standing miles apart. I'd be a domino. You would feel my flow on the ground beneath you. I'd be a domino. You would feel my flow on the ground beneath you.
You and I, we're always on the edge. We fight and make love at the same time. Would you break up just because I told you what I did last night? I recall the times you said you're sorry. I'm still not sure if you told lies, but I don't care, it's all forgotten now. We're holy when we touch anyhow. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black lights. With the black lights. Hanging up to see if you.
So I would like to thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I will be posting more videos like this. And if you would like to, go ahead and leave me a hate in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.
Remember all the times we tried to stop this. Yeah, we end up the same every time.